Hello, Pilipinas! Kamusta kayo? I'm just recording a video in English, whatever it is. But I know what I'm going to do. But after my record, I'm going to watch a DVD.
Yeah.
With my mom.
Yeah. Can you tell them in Tagalog the songs that you knew in Tagalog?
Yeah.
Yeah, go on then.
Nanay, tatay, gusto kong tinapay. Ate, kuya, gusto kong kape. Lahat ng gusto ko
Ay susundin.
ay susundin mo.
Sino?
Sinong kasali sa
Ito
ito?
ang kamali.
Ang nakamali ay pipindutin ko.
Oh, you're such a good girl. Well done. So, do you know, when I ask you in Tagalog, can you answer me in Tagalog as well?
No, I know I can understand Tagalog, but I pronounce you to English.
Not pronounce, you reply on English. But can I ask you, anong pangalan mo?
Yeah.
Go on then, tell me. Anong pangalan mo?
I'm 6 years old.
Anong pangalan mo?
Oh, I'm Abigail.
Yeah, ilang taon ka na?
I'm 6 years old.
Okay, ilan ang kapatid mo?
3, but the other one's in London.
Well, you have 3 sisters and 2
Yeah.
brothers.
Yeah.
Half brothers.
Yeah.
All half. That's it.
Yeah.
Asan ang daddy mo?
He's in his house.
Anong ginagawa niya?
He's watching TV. Like he always do.
Oh!
But sometimes he goes to work.
Kailan ka babalik ng Pilipinas?
It's up to my mum because she doesn't even want to go to...
I don't want to go to Pilipinas. I do.
But we don't have much money.
Yeah, that's it. Do we miss Philippines?
Yeah,
Mm.
but I don't like the bugs in there because it makes me have spots and it gets water on the next day.
Okay. What bugs are?
Like insects and flies that drink your blood.
Okay. Sinong namimiss mo sa Pilipinas?
Tita Tess.
Oh, sino pa? Tita Flora.
Yeah.
Tita Net.
Yeah.
Tita Marisa.
Yeah.
Tita Cynthia.
Yeah.
Namimiss mo sila lahat.
Yeah.
Yung mga pinsan mo, sinong mga naaalala mo?
All of them, but I don't know all their names.
Oh, but you do remember them, face. Oh, sige, paalam ka na sa kanila.
Goodbye!
Tapos, sabihin mo, magkita-kita na lang tayo uli.
Magkita-kita ng uli.
Kamusta na uli kayong lahat?
Kamusta uli kayong hala? Hala.
Lahat.
Lahat.
Okay. Paalam na po.
Paalam na po.
I love you all.
I love you all.
Bye.
Bye.
Sila Tita Tess pa sa Nueva Vizcaya. Si Kuya Butog, sila Banji. Kumustahin mo sila lahat doon?
Kamusta Tita Sanlot?
And lots. Okay.
Bye.